Hey Mom, you asked about how to use the on-demand function on the TV. This will be an awkward video, but I'm going to try to show you. First, there's a button on the remote. See that orange button right there? It says on-demand. See? You hit it with your finger, or in this case my thumb, and when I hit it, then I get this menu. There, see? And there's all kinds of things on there. I'm not sure what they all do. Some of them are pay for view and whatnot. You know, the premium, subscription. It'll show you things you could subscribe to, but I don't think you've subscribed to the Disney On Demand or Disney Family Movies or the Filipino On Demand. Now, I'm using these keys around here to move around. So I'm using the left arrow key, and see it says go back, and then I hit OK and it goes back. So you want to go to free shows, and then here they've got them grouped into categories or different segments. Here they've got the 4 major networks, then they've got shows by category, then they got TV shows listed, A through Z, and then by network, and movie extras, and then their free movies, and then their previews. So suppose you missed the latest episode of 60 Minutes. Now, not everything will be on here like this, but one way you could get to it, and I'm assuming it's there, is you move the right arrow key and you get to where it's 1, 2, 3, because that starts with 60. Okay. And you keep moving over until you get to it, and you hit OK. And there you go. And you see you've got this thing down here, and that's where it defaults. The pointer does, I think. See, I move the right click key and it goes to add to my favorites, which I'm not sure what that does for me, but I'm going back to browse episode and series, hit OK. And then it shows the dates of the episodes for season 48. Oops, hit the wrong key. Hit the down key without hitting the right key. Okay, so I have to hit the right arrow, and then you could go down and select an episode, and then it loads information, and it tells you this is an episode about the heroin epidemic. I guess you could call it a cursor, although that's not what it is on the watch button there. So if you hit OK, then it starts to play the episode. See? There you go. Now, usually, see, fast forward and other function may not be available. When you get to commercials, definitely they don't want you to fast forward through those. But you get the episode now. To get out of this, we're going to try hitting the back key. Let's see if that works. Yep, I hit the back key, and that takes me back out. And then we can hit the left arrow key, and that takes me there, and then there to back. And then we can keep hitting the left arrow, and then OK when it gets to back. And then we still got to do more. Back, same thing. OK, then OK. Then we get back to the main on-demand menu. Another way we could have looked for it is to go down to free shows and then do the right key, arrow key, and then hit CBS On Demand, and then we could search by the network, and there's 60 Minutes again. So we hit OK. Then again it's to there, so we can browse the episodes, and then we could pick our episode like we did before. Did the right arrow, then the down arrows, and say we wanted to watch that episode. And then the cursor, see where it's kind of flashing there, is on that play button. You hit OK. and then it's going to play. Now to get out of all this, I think if you hit the menu key, maybe the guide key, that'll get you out. Or let's see what happens if I hit the exit to TV key, and that takes me all the way back to the live program I'm watching. Play with it and have fun. You know, there are movies you can pay for to watch, but there's a lot of free entertainment there. Don't know what you're looking for. Love you, Mom. Bye.